Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and replacing the front fog lights in this 2010 Volkswagen GTI. So we're going to take these T25s out for the front grille. We're using a T25 socket extension and a ratchet. And I'm going to grab underneath the grille and just pull forward. There's little clips underneath. That came out kind of easy. You may have to work at it a little bit. I'm going to pull this panel off. Grab underneath and pull. We have a T25 that goes straight up and down. I'm going to use our T25 socket and extension. Get on it. And there's two more down here. We're going to pull our connector for our fog lights. You're going to push on this little tab here and then pull down. The connector will pull right out. Push down and pull that straight out. And the driver's side is the same. On the driver's side, the wiring harness had a retainer that's attached to the bumper. You're going to pull it straight out. So we're going to take out all these T25s. There's one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, these two, and these two. Now on both sides, I'm going to grab right here and pull out. I'm going to take these last two out. Pull straight forward. We're going to take these two T25s out. You can grab the fog light. Pull these two tabs out, it pulls right off. Now reinstall, I'm going to line this up, push these two tabs in. Line the two holes up. Install the two T25 bolts. The procedure would be the same for the passenger side. For ease of installation, it's easier if you have a partner and when taking it off. So you can line it up. install these two T25s. Now we're going to install these T25s. Next we're gonna connect the fog light, well, the marker light. Push that in. Now we're gonna connect the fog light. Just push it on until it's locked in. And do the same for the driver's side. All right, we're gonna install this last. We're gonna install this T25 going up. You're gonna push on the fender. You're gonna push on the bumper and make sure it lines up while you're tightening it. Put these Torx screws in. Install the cover, put it in up top, push in. Install the grill. And line it up down below. And push, lock it into place. Install these 4 Torx screws.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.